EverBrite. This is much smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I'm anxious to see what's in this box. Look how cute. Directions. The littlest thing. It is adorable. Look at the battery in that they give you. Okay, unscrew this part. I had a hard time even opening this. The battery in. On, off. Oh, like the little clip. This would be cute just to keep by my bedside. The glove compartment. Adorable. That's my guess. Strobe. Off. Look at that. Big. That's so neat. That's as small as I can get it. That's the strobe. So there's 3 different settings. Low, high, and strobe. With this button right here. Turn the dial to enlarge. Little teeny flashlight, but I'm impressed. I really am. And this is going to come in really handy. Love this.